Hey everyone, I'm Vikram Salunke and welcome to Python for InfoSec. This is a video number 4 and in this video we will see about the operators. Let's first look at the numbers. In Python, integers and floats can be represented. Let's look at the integer example. Num1 equals 2, print num1. Okay, this is an integer. And what is a float? Float is any number with decimal point is known as a float. Okay, num2 equals 4.2. Okay, this is a float. Let's look at the operators. First, we are going to see assignment operator. Assignment operator assigns the values of a right side operand to the left side operand. For example, num1 equals 2. This is the assignment operator. 2 has been assigned to num1. Okay, now num1 contains 2. This is known as the assignment operator, which we have seen earlier. Now let's look at the arithmetic operators. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponent, etc. are known as the arithmetic operators. Now let's first look at the addition operator. Num1 equals plus 2. Let's look at the num1. Okay, so addition operator add the values and store the result into the variable. In this case, 2 got added into the 2 and it got stored into the num1. Let's look at the subtraction operator. Print num2. Okay, so it subtracts the value from right side operand to the left side operand and store the result into the variable. Now let's look at the multiplication operator. Equals 4 into 2. Let's print num3. Okay, it multiplies the values and store the result into the variable. Let's look at the division operator. It divides the left side operand with the right side operand. Let's look at the modulus operator. It stores the remainder by dividing left side operand with the right side operand. Now let's look at the exponent operator. Okay, so it calculates the exponential power. There are other operators also, such as the relational, logical, bitwise, identity, membership, etc. I'm not going to confuse you guys with too much information. So we will see those operators when we need them. So that's it for this video. If you want to join our in-person class, then visit this link and join our training in some upcoming InfoSec conferences. And if you want to solve the exercises about the operators, then please visit our website vmaskers.com and test your understanding by solving the exercises there. Thank you.